that is standard of living. Clear? Standard of living. Okay. It is basically something which is related to monetary access. It means how many amenities in life you can afford. Okay, happiness you definitely cannot buy, peace of mind you cannot buy, so it is not concerned with those indicators. It is concerned with how much access to material goods and services you have. You can afford a car, good. You can afford a good mobile phone, yes. You can afford, you have a good house, yes. You have all the basic amenities in the house, yes. You have automatic, semi-automatic or manual washing machines, fully automatic. You have great standard of living. Okay, you have all the best possible amenities, but it talks only about the access to material goods, access to material things. Okay, so standard of living. Okay, you may mention about standard of living. It shows the access of people. It shows the access of people. Access of people. It shows the access of people to material goods or to material things. It shows the access of people to material goods or material things. It shows the access of people to material goods or material things. Material goods or material things. Okay, how do you measure it? How do you measure it? It is estimated basically by individual's income. Okay, at national level it is measured by per capita income. So you may write it is measured / represented by per capita income. It is measured / represented by per capita income. It is measured / represented by per capita income. Measured / represented by per capita income. Okay, per capita income. Okay, so does it represent the overall well-being of an individual? No, because highly rich people may be frustrated. They may have all the basic amenities, but still they may be frustrated. So it just shows how much affordability you have, how much things you can afford. Access to material goods, access of people to material goods. Material goods. Okay. And opposite to this concept, standard of living, we have another concept that is called quality of life. That is called quality of life. This is a much more better concept because it is talking about the quality of living. Quality of life. Quality of life. Okay. Quality of life. It represents the level of well-being of an individual. It represents the level of well-being of an individual. Quality of life represents the level of well-being of an individual. Okay. In quality of life, you have so many things. In quality of life, you have material aspect. Okay. Means, do you have the basic amenities? Do you have all the goods which may help you to have a comfortable life? Plus, do you have social quality in your life? What do you mean by social quality? Do you have someone to rely upon? Do you have someone to call as a friend? Do you have someone to take care of you when you are frustrated? Okay, that is called social quality. Okay, then also psychological quality. Psychological quality means, are you at a peaceful state of mind? Okay, psychological quality of life. Then emotional quality of life. Do you have anger issues or not? Are you quite stable in your relationships? Are you quite stable in your life? You have a behavioral balance in your life or not? Okay, these all are the dimensions of quality of life. Clear that? So which one is a broader and better concept? Standard of living talks only about economic well-being, economic dimension. Okay, and it represents overall material aspect, social, psychological, emotional, every aspect is basically taken care in the concept of quality of life. So quality of life is a better concept. So should we always try to improve the standard of living, or should we try to enhance the quality of life? We should try to enhance the quality of life. And quality of life does not comes only with high standard of living, it comes with a basic standard of living also. Basic